What's up guys, my name is Rob G and welcome back to another video. On this channel you'll find some helpful tutorials and YouTube related videos to help you get started here on the platform. If that's something that you're interested in, please subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos. Today's video, I want to ask you guys what kind of camera you're using to shoot your YouTube videos and what are some of the things that you actually struggle with as a content creator here on YouTube. I understand that trying to get the best quality videos sometimes is kind of hard. If that's probably one of the biggest challenges that we face here as a content creator here on YouTube, is trying to get some really great videos here on YouTube. I currently have a number of cameras here. I have the Nikon D3500 is what I'm actually shooting on right now. And that's one of the cameras I want to probably say that's probably the one that I shoot the most on. And I also have the Canon T7 also. And I'm always switching between the two of these cameras to try to get the best quality video. This is the Canon T7 that I have here now, and I constantly switch between the two. I try to stick with one camera if I can stick with one camera, and I'm currently using the Nikon D3500. It seems to work fine for me. So this is just one of the other cameras that I use, and I also have the Logitech C922 webcam, which I don't really shoot on. I just kind of do a little testing and stuff like that with that camera, but I don't really shoot my YouTube videos. I think I might have shot one or two of them, but I kind of moved away from that and try to stick to my DSLR cameras. As a content creator here, we're always constantly trying to get the best quality video, and I'm constantly trying to tweak my cameras to get the best shot. What are some of the things that you're struggling with right now as a content creator? What cameras are you using, and what cameras do you recommend using as a YouTube content creator here on the platform? Like I told you, we definitely want to get the best quality videos, and I constantly find myself tweaking my camera to try to get the best shot. I shoot in manual mode, I shoot in automatic, and I just try to get the best video possible, and sometimes that's a little hard. I find myself trying to actually kind of color grade my videos to get the look that I'm looking for, and I don't know if that's a good thing or that's a bad thing. Maybe color grading is not really something that you really need to do. I don't know. Post your comments below. Let me know what exactly do you do, and what do you think you should be doing as a content creator as far as color grading your videos. I do a bunch of different things as far as trying to get the best picture, and I'm trying to stick with one look for my channel and one look for my videos. So I've been shooting on the Nikon D3500, and it seems to be working out pretty well. I get some nice, clear, crisp videos. There's no audio with that, so I can't hook like an external mic to that. So I got to sync my audio, and I use Audacity for that. And I'm shooting with Audacity right now. And once I have everything the way I want it and I complete my video, then I just load everything up into my editor, my audio, my video, and I just kind of sync everything together, and everything seems to be working pretty well. I do find myself sometimes having problem lining up the audio and the video together. So I've been doing a little search online, and I came up with a method that a lot of people are using, and it's called the clap method. So when you actually start your video and start your audio, you clap twice, and once you get that rhythm going, when you sync your audio and your video up in your editor, you can line them up and you can get your video and your audio synced together, and it seems to be working out pretty well. But I think I'm going to be moving to another camera. Hopefully I'm going to be getting another camera, and hopefully this camera I can actually hook up an external mic to it to get a little more, I'm not going to say better audio, because I kind of like these microphones. I like these mics that I have right now, but when I'm shooting some of them videos that I don't have to do too much work as far as post my audio and stuff like that and trying to sync up things, because sometimes it could be a little frustrating. Sometimes I put my audio and my video into my editor and everything seems to line up well, but once I export that and then I start that video up and look at the video, I notice that the audio kind of drags behind a little bit, and that's a little frustrating for me as a content creator, because I try not to spend too much time on just one thing. I just want to load it up. I want to shoot my videos, my audio, and I just want to load everything, and I just want to get my video the way I want it. So the main purpose of this video is to just let you know what kind of cameras I'm using, and for the most part it seems to be working out pretty well, but I'm always striving to get a better video, and I'm trying to move up to something a little better than what I have. And just post your comments below and let me know what cameras you're using and what do you recommend as a content creator here on YouTube. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you found any value in this video, please subscribe to the channel below, click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any future videos, and I'll see you in the next video.